Hello beautiful people from Busan. Yes, I came this morning to see my friend. If you recall, I was here a couple of months ago to see the same friend. Actually, I came by bus and I came back by train to Seoul. I will put a link to those videos in the description below, but I am here now at the Travelodge Suites in Centum City. We're gonna review the hotel together. Vamos! This is the lobby. Let's go up to the room. Okay, I am on the 7th floor. I am room number 703. Right here, right here. Whoa, wow, let's check it out. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Let's see what we have here. This is your duplex room. You have the big bed right here in the middle. Check this out. The big bed right here in the middle. You have a TV. I guess this is closet space. Yeah, closet. This should be another. Oh, this is the fridge. Check this out, the fridge. A freezer too, you have freezer. You have a bunch of drawers, a lot of space. You have this seating area here. What's the view? This beautiful parkland. You have the ocean in front of you right there. Look at this view. Must be beautiful at night. And this is, I believe, the Bexco Convention Center. Let's see what's upstairs here. It's an empty area. I think it's really low ceiling. I guess you could put in 1 or 2 beds, but they chose to put the bed downstairs, I guess. Let's continue our tour. I mean, this area upstairs is kind of underutilized. Yeah, maybe I would have put it differently, but look at this nice setting. You do have a washing machine here. You have a washing machine. You have some tea, you have oven, fire thing, if you want to do your thing here. The kettle. This is the shower. This is the restroom. And you have this thing for your suitcases. Hello, it's me. Yep. Very nice. Very nice. You do have some extra blankets and pillows here. What's this one? Yeah, that's it. More drawers. A lot of storage space here, basically. I just noticed this screen here. I guess it's a bunch of commands. Not sure what it is. I guess phone, front desk probably. Maybe do the room. I really don't know exactly what it is, but it's interesting. And this here we have some instructions. I guess, you know, check-out time, check-in time, etc. The furnace, whatever that is, I guess this is to have hot water. You press this first, and then you press the second one. I guess they're talking about here. This is, if you want to take a shower, you press this first and then you open the hot water here. And this is instruction for the thermostat. And this is for the washing machine. Although I don't see any detergent, I guess you would have to buy it yourself. Okay, I'm gonna walk a little bit to see what's around the hotel. Definitely Busan is much warmer than Seoul, that's a fact. It's a little bit windy, but a windbreaker is enough really during the day. Let's see what's around this here. Let me turn the camera around. Let's go check that park quickly and check out the view out at sea. It's a beautiful park. Now it seems the sea is actually further than I thought. I'm not gonna go all the way. Let's just enjoy a quick stroll in this very quiet yet beautiful park. Let's capture the view of the buildings here. Right here. I suspect most of these are hotels, some maybe apartments, offices. Again, this area really is driven by what goes at Bexco. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's go back to the hotel and I'll give you my final thoughts. Okay, my final thoughts. The Travelodge Suites at Centum City is a solid option if you have to be in this area of Busan. If you have business in the convention center or exhibition center, whatever you want to call it, Bexco, this is a good option. There are many large hotels in this area that serve the people that go to the Bexco. This is one of them, and I find it a good one. The room is modern, it is clean, the Wi-Fi is strong, the service is good. There is no breakfast. There is no breakfast in the hotel. Then again, you have kitchenette, although you don't have utensils, so that could be an issue, but the kitchenette is there. You have a washing machine, but you gotta get your own washing liquid. But overall, I think it is a good option. I always like to show you different hotels at different price points so you can compare values, amenities, etc. I have no complaints here. If you have to be in this area of Busan, this is a solid option. Yes, I recommend this hotel actually. Okay, that's gonna be it for this time, and I shall see you on the next
video.